The Food Service Exchange presents.
I'm working with a yeast dough in my Univex 20-quart Planetary mixer. So I'll show you some advantages. One thing you want to know about Univex is this is one of the very few mixers that's still made here in the US. And this mixer right here is a workhorse. So the neat thing about this is I'm using a dough hook and a scraper. I'm getting everything on the outside of the edge, working it back into the dough. One thing that's unique about Univex, this is a variable speed mixer. So I can switch dough speed on the fly. One of the things I'm not showing is the Univex spiral mixer, which I would probably prefer to use for yeast dough. But here in the US, everybody loves a Planetary mixer, and I've had people come to me and go, Toby, I'm doing pizza, do you have a Planetary mixer? Because they don't know about the spiral mixer. Spiral mixer is basically a dough hook, stationary, and the bowl is twisting. So there's a lot less stress on the machine, and the dough gets worked more evenly with less friction and heat added to the dough. Planetary or spiral, if you're only doing pizza dough, I highly recommend a spiral mixer if you've never looked at one before, but a Planetary mixer will work just as well either way.